Ever wondered how to turn back the clock on the delicate skin around your eyes using nature's own resources? Today, we're diving into the world of DIY skincare, focusing on 7 extraordinary anti-aging eye cream recipes. These are easy to whip up at home, easy on the pocket, and loaded with potent ingredients to nourish, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin. First on the list is the Rosehip seed oil and Shea butter eye cream. This concoction is a powerhouse of vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. The magic of rosehip seed oil combined with shea butter deeply moisturizes the skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and enhances elasticity. Next up, we have the green tea and cucumber eye gel. The green tea extract and cucumber juice in this gel are renowned for their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. This cooling eye gel works wonders in reducing puffiness, dark circles, and inflammation, giving your eyes a refreshing and revitalized look. Moving on to the coconut oil and vitamin E eye balm. Coconut oil, a natural emollient, hydrates and softens the skin. The vitamin E oil adds a layer of antioxidant protection and boosts collagen production. This nourishing eye balm works to erase wrinkles and restore flexibility to the delicate eye area. Next, we introduce the coffee and almond oil eye serum. Coffee grounds, rich in caffeine, constrict blood vessels to help reduce under-eye puffiness. Paired with almond oil, this serum helps improve circulation, lighten dark circles, and minimize the visibility of crow's feet. Our 5th recipe is the avocado and aloe vera eye cream. Avocado, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, nourishes and hydrates the skin. Aloe vera, on the other hand, soothes and calms irritation. Together, they create a luxurious eye cream that enhances skin texture, reduces wrinkles, and promotes collagen production. The 6th recipe is the jojoba oil and frankincense eye serum. Jojoba oil, a close match to the skin's natural sebum, makes an excellent moisturizer for the delicate eye area. Frankincense essential oil, with its rejuvenating properties, helps firm up and tighten the skin, reducing the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Last but certainly not least, we have the hyaluronic acid and rosewater eye mist. Hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant, attracts and holds moisture, filling out the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines. When combined with rosewater, this refreshing eye mist hydrates, tones, and rejuvenates tired eyes, leaving them looking brighter and more youthful. These DIY anti-aging eye cream recipes can be customized to fit your skin's specific needs and preferences. Whether you're a fan of rich creams, lightweight gels, or nourishing serums, there's a recipe here for you. Embrace these natural and effective homemade remedies and say hello to brighter, firmer, and more youthful-looking eyes. Don't forget to try these recipes and share your experiences in the comments section. Every bit of shared wisdom helps our community grow. Enjoy the journey to younger, brighter eyes. Check out the links to beauty products in the description below, and if you like it, you can buy it. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.